Hey, what's everybody? I'm Brent for BRENSPEED. Guess what? It's 3 Valve Wednesday. Thanks so much for watching BRENSPEED TV. Today we have an 09 GT with all the sweet bolt-ons, including our Novi 1200 Throwback Supercharger package. We're gonna watch a dyno pull this thing laying down over 500 rural horsepower. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, so we have a manual transmission, 93 octane. Before we go down and take a look at the engine compartment of all the cool mods, something you can't see, we have a Ford Racing aluminum drive shaft and a McLeod RST clutch. Doug, come down here, take a look. On top, we have the Ford Racing intake manifold and the nice Ford Racing dual blade throttle body. This car also has a set of hot rod camshafts, pipes, long tube headers, and our Novi 1200 Throwback package. This package can go on a stock car or a modified car. It's a killer setup. You get 47-pound fuel injectors, a booster pump, Kohler spark plug, the proper tune. We keep these in stock. We can mail order those right to your door, and we have tunes for stock cars or all the mods you see right here, or even have some of the mods. No problem. Check out this dyno pull. All right, we're on our DynoJet rated SAE, something else. If you wonder what this costs to get installed, you simply email quote@brenspeed.com. We're in Indiana, and I will put links in the description to all the parts I just showed you. So you can just click on it, see how much they cost, maybe read a little bit more about it. All right, like I said, DynoJet SAE, smoothing 504 rural horsepower, peaking at 67 in RPMs. Torque comes in at 422, peaking at 5,700. Great place to be because this is a stock engine car. I don't mind the 504 rural horsepower, but I like to keep the torque under 450. If you're new to this channel and you wonder why that is, I will put a video at the end you can click on that tells you why I like that. It tells you a lot more about it, but here it is. 09 GT, super clean car. I love the way this baby looks, and that's our Novi 1200 Throwback package. Thanks so much for watching.